This video is brought to you by Airmaster Systems, providing your laboratory needs since 1975. How to install the slip joint filler panel kit. You will need a power drill, the appropriate attachment, the appropriate fasteners for your walls, and sheet metal screws. You will also need a set of C-clamps or vice grips. The parts are a filler panel as well as a slip joint. You're going to start by removing all of the drawers of your cabinet. This can be done by pulling up on the side tabs on the side of the slides. After you're done with that, you're going to remove the back panel. This removes very easily. Just lift it out using two hands. Once you have done so, you're going to use your C-clamps to tighten down your filler panel. This is going to need to be aligned perfectly with the outer edge of your cabinet. Using your drill, make sure you tap the sheet metal screws through the sides of the filler panel. This can be done through the pre-tapped holes or through the specific area you would like. If this is a cupboard cabinet, make sure you tap the holes from the inside out. With the C-clamps now removed, we're going to prep our slip joint for the installation. You will notice there are several tabs on the leading edge. This is to face to the inside of the cabinet. These tabs are designed to secure the filler panel into place. We are going to take these tabs and bend them towards this inner rail. You can easily bend these tabs just using your fingers. As you can see here, I am taking my thumb and just pressing the tabs over. This is a very easy process and they should bend easily. Once they are all lined up, make sure that there is a nice tight fit between the tab being bent and the edge that it is bent towards. It's good to check this fit by placing it on the filler panel prior to attaching it to the wall. Based on your wall and surface area, we recommend attaching this slip joint using the appropriate fasteners for your job application. Once you have this attached, you can now slip the cabinet into place up against the wall. As we've checked before, it's a perfect fit. This concludes the installation of our slip joint filler panel kit. As you can see, it should be a very nice, clean, flush fit. As always, at Airmaster Systems, we thank you for your business. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us.